guys, it's ASBYT, and today on the table we have quite possibly one of the strangest yet potentially ingenious devices I've ever had on the channel. This right here, in this very small box, is a laptop. I know you don't believe me, but trust me, I'm going to prove it to you. This right here is the One Netbook, One Mix Yoga Pocket laptop. I had to check the name because it's a very strange name as well. But the last time I checked, this right here is the world's smallest laptop that you can possibly buy right now. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed and see exactly what we're dealing with. Let's get straight to it. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now here on the table, like I said, we have the One Netbook, One Mix Yoga Pocket laptop in silver. Wow, that was a mouthful. This package right here landed at my address. I was intrigued enough by this product that I couldn't not unbox it and review it for you guys. Now, if you are interested in finding out more information on this or indeed purchasing it after watching this video, I will leave a link to it in the video description below, so make sure you go and check that out if you so wish. Right, so on the front, you just have some Chinese writing there, you have One Mix there, and then the One Netbook text at the bottom there as well. If we flip it onto the back, we have an Intel Cherry Trail, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and it is running Windows 10. Weight, 515 grams. So if you want a portable laptop, then look no further. And as it says from the name, it is a pocket laptop. You can actually fit it inside your pocket. That's mental. That's mental. Who would have thought in this day and age you could fit a laptop in your pocket? But that's exactly what we can do. So let's get it unboxed. I mean, look at that! So right here, we have our laptop. Look at it! I'm pretty sure that that is smaller than the Samsung Note 9 that's just been released. Certainly height-wise, anyway. Right, just going to take this bit off. And there you have it. Actually, quite a nice little finish on it. Certainly not a bad-looking little thing. I'm just going to pop that down there. And then also in here, we have our charger, which is micro USB. That's a little bit of a shame. Would prefer Type-C, but it's not the end of the world. And then your charging brick there as well. So it does have a Type-C port, just for charging is micro USB. So if you have accessories, etc. that are Type-C, you can still use it with this. It's got a backlit keyboard as well. Right, so let's just pop this down here and let's open this up. Right, the moment of truth. What does the world's smallest laptop actually look like when you open it up? That's quite a sturdy little hinge there. Look at the size of it. Just for comparison, there's a pen. Like I said, that is crazy. Let's boot this up and see what we're working with. Okay, so it's nearly finishing loading. This is pretty snappy so far. Bam! And there is the screen. How cool is that? It's a little diddy. And the hinge as well, so it goes from closed and you can go right the way back to flat. It goes right the way round. You've even got a little tablet as well. Oh dear. The feats of engineering in this day and age. Right, so there you have it. There's the screen. It is touchscreen as well, which I think is pretty impressive. It's not the most responsive touchscreen, but it kind of works. You've also got your little button here, which obviously opens your main Windows menu. You've got a backlit keyboard, as you can see. I'm not sure whether you can. Hang on. Let's test this. Let's see how good this backlight is. Okay. That's not too bad. I've seen better, but again, tiny little laptop. And you're probably thinking, well, hang on, where's the trackpad? Look at that. This tiny little square here is actually a mini trackpad. And yes, it's not going to be a MacBook Pro. It's not going to be a Huawei MateBook X, but it does pretty much work. Obviously, there's no two-finger scroll. You can hook up a mouse to it if you so wish. So the actual ports on here, we have headphone jack, TF card slot, Type-C, micro HDMI, USB 3.0, and your micro USB charging port there. You've got a little speaker underneath here. That's not the best. You know, the sound quality is not going to be sensational with it being a downward-facing speaker. But, I mean, what do you expect? Where are you going to put the speaker on this sort of setup here? Oh, it's got a rotating screen as well. Oh, I'm honestly quite impressed. At the start, I told you a couple of the specs. I'm just going to finish off the specs for you so you get all the information. Okay, so we have a 7-inch IPS panel screen, which is 1920 by 1200. The actual colours and clarity of this screen are actually quite impressive. As you can see here, it's a pretty nice looking display. Dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi as well. Now, one thing that you can also use with this, similar to the Galaxy Note 9, is a stylus. The stylus doesn't actually come with this device, but you can obviously pick up a fairly cheap stylus and again use it because it is touchscreen. And if you're one of these people that takes their laptop or tablet, for example, to office meetings, wants to do presentations, PowerPoint for example, you can obviously link this up to a big screen, but the size of it means that the portability factor, you can obviously take it into work, for example, or carry it with you wherever you're going very, very easily. Just quickly going to see what it's like to actually type with. Obviously it's not the easiest keyboard to type on because everything is so confined, but again, might be easier for you than a tablet, for example. Right, so these are spacebar as well. It's just split. You can use either one. Hi, my Nazumi is ASBYT, and this video is the bomb. As you can see, the keyboard works fine. It's fairly comfortable to type on as well, but obviously very close. Yeah, of course, I'm not going to use this as my daily laptop. You can't really edit on it. You're probably not going to be wanting to do loads of work, for example, on a screen this size. But outside of that, you're going to be able to pretty much do everything on here that you would do on a normal size laptop. But you get the portability just to clamshell it shut and chuck it in your bag or your pocket. Pocket yoga. If you're one of these people that kind of wants a portability of a tablet that doesn't want to buy a tablet because you think that tablets are a bit kind of dead, then you've got a touchscreen laptop that fits in your pocket. And I think if you actually think about it, that's pretty crazy. And that's pretty much it. Now, this retails for around £350. I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. It's something that you'll either find incredibly useful or completely not. It's a very chalk and cheese product, but again, it's something that landed on my desk and I thought, you know what? It has to be reviewed because it is just so different. The world's smallest laptop, probably smaller, certainly height-wise, than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Hello? Yep, I am talking to you off a laptop. Probably the worst way to end a video, but that's where we're going to end it. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be postified. I want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech, pretty much daily content on this channel. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.